Look at this panel. This is how I bought the house. This is the way they ran the wire. All ugly and shit. Eventually I'm gonna replace it. Put a QO panel up in here. Real nice. Put a whole house surge protector. I just ran this circuit here for outside lights. Ran the conduit up. Went all the way up. Connected to the pool L. Went through the wall outside. Run it back down to the panel. Lengthen the panel. Okay, let's go out. Came out through here, ran all the way up. Motion light going here. Then I came around. I had another box there with the wire sticking out from my motion light. Came up, around, down in the wall. Already ran this one here. Already did this one here. Ran out that one right there. Some great security lights. Almost done.